Hey guys, this next tool, I've never actually used it, but I'm going to talk about what I have heard it does, is it's the rubber sheet. And the rubber sheet, from what I've heard, what it allows you to do is to import an image. Like say you found a real life map, a piece of paper map, and you would like to import that map into ATAK and use it for your ATAK map. This is how you do it. So you take a picture of it, you'd import that picture, and then I think you would drag and drop the corners of that picture atop of an ATAK map, and it would effectively make a layer where, say, in this area, you're using some sort of paper map copy that's on your phone. Could be super useful if you find, a map that has, like goat trails in a forest or something that's not visible from the sky. Yeah, never used it myself, but I've heard it works. I've heard pretty good stuff.